Hello everyone. Today I will tell you how you can get a job at LIC if you are a fresher or a recent graduate. This is a great opportunity for graduates from all streams, whether you are from commerce, arts, engineering, tech or non-tech student, especially if you are looking for a stable, well-paying government job right after college. Every year, LIC hires thousands of freshers from all streams for roles like AAO, Assistant Administrative Officer, ADO, Apprentice Development Officer and Assistant. In this video, I will cover complete detail about 3 most popular LIC roles for freshers, steps to apply for a job at LIC, the complete recruitment process, and exam pattern and sample question papers as well. So stay tuned till the end and subscribe to the channel for more such useful content and government opportunities. LIC or Life Insurance Corporation of India is the 4th largest life insurance provider in the world. It regularly hires for different positions, and 3 of the most popular entry-level roles for college graduates and freshers like you are LIC Assistant Administrative Officer, which is a gazetted officer level role at LIC. Think it like a management trainee at an MNC. Second is LIC Assistant, which is a clerical role involving everyday banking operations. It is a great way to start your career in administration. And the third is LIC Agent. As an LIC agent, you will guide customers to buy the right insurance policies. So let's talk about both these roles in detail and look at the eligibility criteria, salary, benefits, and other important details. I will start with LIC Assistant Administrative Officer or AAO role. So if you're looking for a government job that gives you great salary, prestige, job security, and some awesome benefits, then LIC AAO is one of the best roles out there. If you have a bachelor degree in any stream and are between 21 and 30 years of age, then you are eligible for this role. It is an officer level position where you will help with management and work on day-to-day operation at the LIC office. Your role as an AAO will vary depending on the department you work with, but generally you will be assisting with administrative tasks like policy approvals, customer service, claim processing and more, helping implementing insurance policies. Depending on your background and posting, you will also handle finance, account, marketing and IT. The AAO role comes with a basic pay of rupees 53,600 rupees per month and a number of allowances that bring your salary up to 92,870 per month. Apart from salary, you get a lot of benefits as well. If you are appointed as an AAO, you will be on a 1 year of probation, and after that you will be hired as a full-time. The application for this role usually open in January and the examination takes place in February. So keep an eye out for the job notification on the official LIC website. So now let's talk about another highly popular role among freshers, that is the LIC Assistant role. This is a clerk level position and is perfect for you if you want a stable administrative job in the insurance sector. So LIC hires assistants for 3 types of roles. Cashier, where you will handle tasks like processing documents, managing files, and handling online and offline transactions. Second, single window operator, where you will work at the front desk or a window counter to assist customers. And third, customer service executive, where you will be working on the customer facing side of the business. The eligibility for the role is similar to that of AAO. All you require is a bachelor degree in any stream from a recognized university, basic computer knowledge, and the age limit is usually between 18 and 30 years with relaxation for different categories. As an LIC assistant, your net salary will be between 38,000 rupees to 40,000 rupees. You can see the salary structure on the screen. If you are selected for the assistant role, you will undergo a probation period of 6 months and will be employed permanently after this probation period. Now that you have understood both roles, AAO and assistant, let me walk you through how you can apply for these job roles. LIC accepts applications only through its official career website. On their website, you will see a list of current openings. Click on the role you want to apply for, like AAO or assistant. Clicking on the role will redirect you to an online registration page. Here you will need to enter your personal and professional details. And once you submit it, the system will generate a provisional registration number and a password. Save it because you will need them to log in again later. Then you have to fill out the application form with details like personal information, education qualification, and your work experience. And then you have to upload some of the required documents as well. There is an application fee which you can check on their official website. And that's it. Just keep checking your email and the official LIC website for updates on the exam dates, admit card, and next steps. Once you have applied for a job at LIC, the hiring process happens in multiple stages depending on the role you have applied for. These stages usually includes exams and for some roles an interview and a medical test as well. Apart from that, there are three more ways you can apply for job at LIC. First is hiring drives. LIC often conducts campus drives and job fairs in different cities and colleges. So if you're a fresher, this is one of the easiest way to get in. Keep an eye on updates from your college placement cells or LIC's social media page. Next is walk-in interviews. Sometimes LIC announces walk-in interview dates for roles like insurance advisors, development officers, or clerical propositions. To find these opportunities, you can check the platform like Internshala, LinkedIn, or you can just search LIC walk-in interview in your city and you will find the latest openings. If you find one, then all you need is to carry your resume and visit the venue. The third way is to apply through their official career page. You just need to go to LIC website, check the latest job openings and apply online. You will need to fill out a form and upload the required document. The recruitment process for all this is more or less similar, but for AAO and assistant role, there are differences in terms of number of rounds and exam structure. I will explain the process for both roles separately in detail, so keep watching. So first, let's talk about the recruitment process for LIC AAO. The hiring of AAO is done through three-phase process and a pre-recruitment medical examination. Phase 1 is an online examination that consists of an objective test with 3 sections: reasoning ability, quantitative aptitude, and English language, with a focus on grammar, vocabulary, and comprehension. There will be a total of 100 questions that you need to answer in 60 minutes. Each section will have a separate time allotted for it. If you pass this exam, then you will proceed to phase 2, which is the main examination. Here you will get an objective and a descriptive test. The objective test will have 120 questions that needs to be answered in 120 minutes, that is in 2 hours. The descriptive test will start immediately after you complete your objective test. You will have to write 1 letter and 1 essay in half an hour. The final phase of the hiring process is an interview. If you pass both the tests, then you will be called for an interview where the hiring panel will assess your communication skills, your general awareness, and your overall fitness for the role. So to help you understand the interview process better, I have also compiled a list of common interview questions that are asked in LIC AAO interviews. You can pause the screen to view the questions and sample answers. If you are shortlisted after the interview, you will undergo a medical examination, and if you are found medically fit, you will be offered an appointment letter. So now let's take a look at the recruitment process for the LIC assistant role. The hiring for an assistant is a 2-phase process and is a little less difficult than AAO1. Phase 1 is an examination, which is an online objective test with 3 sections: reasoning ability, numerical ability, and English or Hindi language test. You can choose the language. There will be total of 100 questions that you have to answer in 60 minutes. If you qualify in this exam, the next step will be the main examination, and there will be 4 sections: general or financial awareness, general English, quantitative aptitude, and reasoning ability and computer aptitude. LIC assistant recruitment is conducted zone-wise. For states like Delhi, Rajasthan, or UP, where Hindi is the dominant local language, the main examination will also include a 5th section to test your Hindi language proficiency. For other states where Hindi is not a local language, like in southern and northeast part of India, there are only 4 sections. However, after clearing the main exam, you will be required to take a local language proficiency test. You can pause the screen to take a look at the syllabus for each section. And now if you're wondering what kind of questions are asked in LIC assistant main exam, I have compiled a list of sample questions taken directly from the official LIC website. You can pause the screen to take a screenshot of the question. So now let's talk about one of the most popular job role at LIC, that is becoming an LIC agent. You might have heard about LIC agents from friends or even met one in your neighborhood. But how do you actually become one? Let me walk you through the full process step by step. As an LIC agent, your main job will be to guide customers to choose the right policy based on their needs and requirements. Now let's take a look at the recruitment process to get hired as an LIC agent. First, check the eligibility criteria that is shown on your screen, and then collect your resume and necessary document and visit the nearest LIC branch office to apply for the agent role. As the application process is completely offline, there are no online forms available for this. Moreover, at the branch, you will have a brief interaction or interview with a development officer or branch manager. He or she will review our documents and ask a basic few questions to assess your suitability for the job role. Next, you have to go through a mandatory 25 hours of training. This training can be done online or at the LIC branch. Here you will learn about life and health insurance, LIC policies and products, customer handling, basic rules set by the IRDAI. And once you have completed the training, you will have to take the LIC agent exam. This exam is also called the IRDAI pre-licensing test. This exam includes 50 multiple choice questions that test your skills in English, general awareness and basic maths. To pass the exam, you need to get at least 18 correct answers. Then there will be a final interview, a basic medical fitness test and document verification. And once you clear all these rounds, you will get an appointment letter. As an agent, LIC also offers a monthly stipend to support you for your initial years, like 10,000 in the first year, 11,000 in the second year and 12,000 in the third year. So with that, we come to the end of this video. This was everything you needed to know about getting a job at LIC. If you still have any questions about the role or hiring process, you can drop a comment and we will get back to you. Since LIC is currently not accepting application for any of the role, you can head over to Internshala and apply for government as well as insurance related jobs. The process is pretty simple. Just register on Internshala and create your resume using the free resume builder. Check out all the available job openings in this sector and select the ones you want to apply for. Fill out the application form or answer the application questions. And if you are shortlisted, the hiring team will get in touch with you. I have added all the necessary links in the description box, so do not forget to check them. And like, share and subscribe to our channel if you find our channel helpful. Until then, all the best.